Feeling confused about induction cooking? Join the crowd. Lots of people have questions about induction, a completely new way to cook food. Induction uses magnetic energy to rapidly heat your pots and pans and the food in the pans. Let's line up the pros and cons of induction cooking. Induction is faster than gas or traditional electric cooking. Remember the expression, like watching water boil? Well, don't fall asleep when boiling with induction. You'll have a very short nap, like maybe 1 minute. Temperature changes with induction are instantaneous. You don't end up with heavy grates retaining lots of heat, as with gas cooking, or dangerously hot radiant heat burners with a traditional electric range. When your induction range is turned off after cooking, all you'll feel is some residual warmth on the cooking surface. Good induction does cost more than the equivalent professional level gas cooking surface, and not all pots and pans will work on an induction surface. Aluminum won't work, and neither will glass. You can use cast iron, carbon steel, or magnetic grade stainless steel. In other words, any cookware that can hold a magnet. You can easily test your current cookware at home with a magnet, and the more iron and less nickel in the metal, the better. So just take a magnet, put it on the bottom. If it holds, it will work with induction. Quality induction cooktops have an amazing temperature range, from the lowest simmer to gently melt chocolate to the highest heat for stir frying. Your inner chef is going to thank you for buying induction. An induction range or cooktop needs a 220 volt circuit. If you're replacing a gas cooktop with an induction top, you will likely need to change out the circuit, and that can be expensive, so be sure to check with your electrician to determine what your needs are before you make the commitment. Energy efficiency is a hallmark of induction cooking. Because induction heats the pot directly, it's more than 90% efficient. Gas is typically about 40 to 50% efficient, which means a lot of energy is wasted. So induction is definitely better for the environment and better for your pocket. An induction cooking surface is glass. Look for ceramic glass in high-end induction tops like the Fulgor Milano that we have here in our showroom. It's tough, but it's possible to break or scratch it with rough handling. Fortunately, tops can be replaced, and they're so easy to clean. Spills don't get baked onto the glass top like they do with radiant electric because the glass cooktop on an induction range doesn't heat up. So in other words, it's not baking the food on here. And there aren't any heavy grates to move or annoying burners to clean around. Easy cleanup is a favorite feature of many induction cooks, and it's my personal favorite when it comes to induction. Did we mention safety? This is a very big plus with induction cooking. No open flames, no hot grates, no waste gases. The glass top doesn't get burning hot as with radiant electric, and good induction tops shut themselves off after a set period of time. No more rushing home in a panic because you forgot to turn the stove off. We've had demos here in our LUXX kitchen, and we have forgotten to turn off the power after finishing the demo. There's no flame to see, and so we just forgot to turn it off. We came back the next morning and nothing. The machine had turned itself off. There's no fire, no ruined pots and pans. The knobs were still set to high, and yet the heating element was off. Finally, induction has lower ventilation requirements, and this is something a lot of people don't think about. You'll still need some ventilation to remove steam and food smells, okay, like this small hood that we have here. But induction needs significantly less because it doesn't produce waste gases. That's the ones you don't want circulating in your home. Depending on your needs, induction might allow you to stay below your local building code requirements for what we call make-up air ventilation, and that can save you a lot of money on hood installation. If you haven't tried induction yet, you're welcome to drop by our showroom for a demonstration. We love to demonstrate our induction products. LUXX Kitchen and Bath does offer both 36-inch and 48-inch induction ranges and range tops. You'll find our contact info in the description below as well as in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more about induction, high-end kitchen appliances, and furniture quality bathroom vanities. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video.